across our campus. I start my day, like every other day, in the wellness quad. So we're assigned neighborhoods, and we're going to drill into my workstation here. More details in the map become readily apparent. We can see my workstation here. Whether I was on the 4th floor, the 3rd floor, or the 2nd floor, doesn't really matter. Indoors has me covered. I know that my first meeting of the day is with a colleague of mine, Helen James. Helen is in our upstream organization, and her and I are working on a pilot together. Typically, Helen and I would meet in one of our many collaboration spaces, our innovation hubs, maybe at a coffee shop that we have on site. Here, find her location, click on home, get directions, and Indoors will give me a route. So I hope everyone here at the comp that ultimate workplace experience, and if keeping our residents comfortable is a way that we can do that, we want to make that happen. One of the last things that we'll do, or I'll do before I leave my desk for the day, is take a look at some of the events we have ongoing in our Houston location. My team is scattered all across North America and the world. They're going to be on site this week, and I want to take advantage of that opportunity to build relationships, to attend a course, and attend a training session. We can see that we've got the Digital University course in one of our larger sites on campus, our town hall center. What I'd like to do now is share the details of that event with my team really quickly through the Indoors platform. We can come in here, type in their email address, and go ahead and send it off. Super simple. One of the great things about Indoors, and one of Helen James, I'm over in our energy quad. I know that my next location, my next meeting is in our nature quad. There's a colleague of mine, Pam Riggs. Her and I have been working on a pilot in regards to AR, and I haven't been able to connect with her in a couple weeks. So, like me, she's a digital nomad. She's very rarely in her neighborhood or at her assigned seat, but with Indoors, it's not a problem. So now I should be able to come in, grab a salad myself before my next meeting, everyone has to eat, and then be on with my day. So taking a look at my schedule, I'm going to pull up my calendar view, and I can see that my next meeting with my team is in Nature 2, 2C 467, right upstairs. Team and I head up, conference room right down the hall, Nature 2A 451. Fantastic. We head over there, the room's available, we book the meeting, and get on our way. A few minutes into the related, we're going to cruise down here and find HVAC. That's the type of ticket. It's too cold. I've got the ability to put in a description if needed. I think our technicians will understand that it's just a little bit chilly. They need to turn the heat up.